Hello everyone, I am Dattatreya Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda, new day, new topic. And our today's topic is Instrument Cable Block Diagram Part 12E. Please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to engineering and a project topic. Similarly, we have created separate video list for instrumentation and control engineering. Please watch all the videos so as to maintain the understanding between various topics related to engineering design. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest updates and reviews on various subjects, and similarly get the notification of our new video uploaded on our channel eFunda. So let's begin with today's topic, instrumentation cable block diagram part 12E. Understanding of cable block diagram. Typically, block diagram is nothing but the graphical representation of various interfaces or interconnection between subsystem or component. For better understanding of block diagram, refer below figure or instrumentation system where interconnection between various parts are indicated. One can refer the block diagram input in terms of quantity, transducer, signal processor, output devices. This is having interconnection between various components of the instrumentation. Similarly, interconnection or cable block diagram is a drawing showing interconnection between each device, including instrument, junction box, marshalling cabinet, panel, etc. This drawing can provide a overall review or connection of the system to various components. So this is all about understanding of the cable block diagram typically. However, in next slide we will cover details of cable block diagram and their preparation. Mainly, cable block diagrams are created to show all the cables and the panels or instrument to which the ends terminate. This drawing shows the interconnection between each field device, including instrument, junction boxes in the field, marshalling cabinets or a panel inside the control room. These type of drawings are particularly useful in large project where it is useful to standardize on small sets of cable and junction boxes. In larger project, this interconnection cable block diagram only shows connection from junction box package system to main control system, while the connection from the junction box to each instruments are shown in the junction box wiring diagram. An interconnection block diagram should also indicate the cable number of each cable connecting two devices. This is how the block diagram is being prepared, and it is useful for while executing the large scale product or a medium scale project. Preparation of instrument cable block diagram. One can refer below animation where various field instruments are shown connected to the junction boxes and further signal connecting to the marshalling boxes. As one can see in a figure, field instrument 1 to 6 are connected to the junction boxes via single pair cable, and further junction box onward it is going as a only one cable inside pair, that is a 6 pair cable, that is a 6 pair multi pair cable connected to the marshalling cabinet inside the control room. This is how the information is depicted on the instrument cable block diagram, and this block diagram gives consolidated information of interfaces between field to control room through various instrument item, components, packages, etc. Field instrument tag number, JB number, type of cable number, various field devices, etc. are shown on the instrument cable block diagram. Similarly, this is similar to the loop drawing, but not exactly same as a loop drawing, because loop drawing provides a detailed information related to the termination point of view, which is not the case of the instrument cable block diagram. One can refer below typical loop diagram, where the interface is shown from field instruments to marshalling cabinet to the control function, where in a loop drawing it shows the functionality between field instrument to junction boxes to marshalling cabinet to system cabinet, and then further to logic function. Where in this kind of a setup, loop drawing provides detailed information of the termination inside junction boxes, marshalling cabinet, and a system cabinet. Whereas only typical interface flow from field to junction boxes to marshalling, and further on to the system cabinet will be shown on the instrument cable block diagram. This is how the graphically instrument cable block diagram referred, or to understand the interface between various field devices to the control system. Now we will review how the sample block diagram is looking like, and which are the information we will get it from the block diagram, which so far we have seen under introduction and preparation of the block diagram. One can refer instrument block diagram as a typical block diagram, where one can see the pressure instrument is connected to the analog junction boxes through one pair cable. Similarly, various field type devices, that is temperature element, HCV, PIT, and other elements are connected for the various well slot or offshore field. And further, one can see that the other type of set of instruments are also connected to the analog marshalling boxes, where these are the field instruments directly gets connected to the marshalling cable by single pair cable, as shown there in the block diagram. And similarly, the other set, where one can see PIT, three PITs, that is PIT 4005 A, B, C, are individually connected a single pair cables to the HIP cabinet system, and further this is connected with a two pair cable to the marshalling boxes. This is how the instrument block diagram is prepared, so as to get the details of instrument tag number, cable number, type of the cable connected from two devices, that is and whether it's analog junction boxes or marshalling boxes, or further marshalling boxes to RTU, DCS, PLC, or a SCADA system. This is how the instrument block diagram is typically represented, to get the detailed information of the field devices connected from field instruments to the junction boxes, and junction boxes to the marshalling boxes, and so as to have the connectivity to the control room, so as to design the complete instrumentation part. Now we are come to conclude on our today's topic, that is instrument cable block diagram. In this video we have seen introduction of a cable block diagram and how to prepare the instrument cable block diagram, what is the method of updating or preparing the cable block diagram, that we have seen with the help of animation. Now we will see the input document required to prepare the instrument cable block diagram. To prepare an interconnection block diagram, the instrument architecture diagram and instrument cable layout are also referred. An instrument and control architecture diagram shows the overall instrument and control system within plant. Hence, the preparation of an instrumentation interconnection block diagram is easier if one refers to the architecture diagram. And the purpose of instrument cable block diagram: instrument cable block diagram help to prepare instrument cable schedule, JB wiring diagram, as this document covers all field instrument tag number, cable tag number, from and to, JBs, cable type, marshalling cabinet, RTU cabinet, etc. This is how the instrument cable block diagram is covered in our today's video. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel eFunda, and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification on upload of our video on our channel eFunda. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Till then, thank you. Stay tuned for new day, new topic.